Welcome. This is your Midday Reset relaxation cycle. Find a comfortable sitting position and gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose and let it out slowly through your nose. Allow your shoulders to drop. Feel your body supported by the chair beneath you. In this moment, there is nothing you need to do and nowhere you need to be. Your only task is to listen. Just listen and allow your body and mind to settle. Now, place your awareness in the area of your heart. If you wish, you may place your hand gently over your heart center. Breathe slowly and deeply through your nose. As you breathe, imagine each inhale flowing in and then each exhale flowing out through the space of your heart. Feel the rhythm becoming smooth and even. With each breath, your nervous system begins to synchronize. Your brainwave patterns begin to slow, gently moving you into a deep, relaxing state. That's right. While keeping your focus in the heart, recall a time, a place when you felt appreciation, gratitude, care. Feel it in your heart. Feel it for anyone or anything, and allow yourself to feel these emotional states in your heart. Allow it to radiate in your chest, into your body, into your mind, and all around you. With every breath, this feeling grows warmer, stronger, more vibrant. Notice how your body responds, the way your shoulders relax, your breath deepens, your mind quiets. You are resetting the day. You are now entering a slower rhythm, moving toward the threshold of a deeper inner level of mind. Where your inner world becomes clearer and more receptive. That's right. Relax. Imagine now that this warmth from your heart is gently rising upward, filling your throat, your head, your mind, your heart and brain are in perfect harmony. They are working together as one in perfect synergy, coherence, and alignment. In this inner place of mind, open your inner level of mind and silently affirm to yourself, feel it in your heart, I am safe. Feel it, I am safe. I am balanced. Feel it, I am balanced. I am connected to my inner wisdom. Feel it. I choose the best solutions with the resources I have. Feel it. I am more confident, safe, and secure each day. Feel it. I am safe. I am balanced. I am connected to my inner wisdom. I choose the best solutions with the resources I have. I am more confident and secure each day. These words are now accepted by your unconscious mind. They will guide you naturally, without effort. Stay here for a few breaths, letting the harmony between the heart and the brain deepen. Go ever deeper inside. Now, allow a wave of relaxation to flow from the top of your head to the tip of your toes. Every muscle, every nerve, every cell is in perfect peace. Here, in this state of mind, your body is restoring its natural resources. Your mind is clear and your heart is open. you are safe and you are protected. You may feel as though time has slowed, as though you are floating in a quiet, safe space, aligned with the eternal light. Breathe and let the stillness nourish you. Now, it is time to return to your day, feeling alert, refreshed, and energized. It is time that you leave this inner level of mind. I will count from 1 to 5. And with each number, you will become more and more awake. Feel your breath deepen. 1, 2, awareness returning to your body. 3, moving your fingers and toes. Move your fingers and toes. 4, gently roll your shoulders, lifting your head. 5, open your eyes, bright, clear, and ready to take on the rest of your day. You have completed your midday reset relaxation cycle. Your heart and your brain is in harmony as you move forward. You're calm, you're clear, and you're fully present and fully awake right now. All hypnotic phenomena is removed. You are ready to take on your day. Welcome back.